They have been asking help from everyone. So any decisions that have come on this, अजूनही तिथून डिस्कशन अजूनही ऑन आहा.
Well, I am again telling you, it is only a draft notification. We have put in public domain what is the intention of the government is to use technology for the running of taxis, buses and transportation. You know this is a problem in Goa. Ata, once the last date is over, what we will be doing is we will be calling everyone for discussion. Some taxi fellows, like for example South Goa, Margaon, have already requested me to come and see me. I told I will meet only when last date is over. I will meet whomever wants to meet. We will certainly take their opinion into account. Only after means we get all the opinions, we will formulate what we think is in the larger interest of Goa, what is in the larger interest of they themselves. Government is not against them, as they are interpreting and they are firstly drawing conclusion. After taking all opinions, it will go to the cabinet, and even before it goes to the cabinet, we will also be discussing this issue in our party, because the party also has to be taken into account, their opinion. After all this exercise, then the final draft notification will come, and that time we will be deciding. And there is no question of forcing anything down their throat, what I have been saying right in the beginning. They can come with their own app. Even now I am saying, come with your own app, local Goans, local टॅक्सीवाले जेन्ना तुमी म्हणटा तुमी तुमचे ओन ॲप घाला बरें, आमकां मातशें पूण प्रॉब्लेम ना. आनी तशें जाल्यार तेंकाय बरें आमकांय बरें. भायले हाडटले, भायरसून हाडटले, कितें फायदो भायले हाडून? What is the use for Goa? We only want that transportation system should be smooth, seamless. लोकांक प्रवास करपाक मेळपा जाय. आनी तेंचेरूच जे स्टोरी करता बाकीचे थोडेशे ट्युरिस्ट येवन जे आमी हातभर ट्युरिस्ट व्हायरल जाता ते जावपाचें बंद जातलें. तें आमचें कर्तव्य. नाल्यार ट्युरिजम फुडाराक काबार जातलें. Is it not the responsibility to do this? They are firstly inferring, yes, we want to stop them. Local taxi fellows will be like, who is giving them that impression? I don't know.
Okay.
So, but Michael Lobo is saying that we will not allow the outside app to operate in Goa.
See, Michael, it is his opinion. He says so many things. Just the other day, previous day, he had supported the app. Then again, a different statement come. Again today, another. Let him keep making statement. It is his thing. I don't want to comment on what Michael is saying.
Okay.
Thank you.